I previously recorded a video for Neighborly Sweeper, and it was very non-optimal, so I'm going to try for an optimal strategy. I have the workers on the left walk over to the workers on the right. Say hello to them, and then those workers... Well, that's weird. Oh yeah. Sorry, I got confused, but those workers... Go ahead. That avoids the problem of trying to count a data tile that another worker has picked up to write to. The challenge calls for summing up all the tiles around you and then writing that number onto the tile. So I'm going to copy my working program and paste it to tab 2. I'm going to remove the lists and stuff. I'm going to keep mem3 because mem3 just tells them whether they're on the right side or the left side. Although I guess I could just have them issue 2 different commands. So let me do that because I'm going for speed. And if I'm going for speed, I'm not trying to save lines here. Although, how else do I know whether... Okay. But I just need to test once. All right. So this is the basic algorithm. So step to get on the first valid tile. It's always at least 2 away. Might be more, but it's always at least 2 away. Test to see if I'm on a data cube. Set mem2 to 0, sum it up, pick up the cube, write it, drop, jump. And that jumps there. Now I have to replicate my logic for the left side. Step left. And again, I see on the left I can step left twice. Then I need a data cube check. I'm just replicating all of this code. Ah. Wish you could copy repeated code. I don't know how to do that. Pick up the cube outside the for each. Write to the cube. Mem2, which is the sum of all the cubes around them. Not the sum, but the total quantity of all the cubes around them, I mean. And drop the cube. And then a jump to repeat all of that. Something wasn't quite right there. They should compute 1. They should drop 1. That looks about right. Just running it to kind of see the big picture. Okay, the ones on the right don't seem to be getting... There we go. That was set to mem3. And I'm presuming I failed because... Well, what's weird was they didn't... There's no way they overwrote 98 and 111. I'll just follow one of these. They should write 3 or 4 depending on how they count. Well, that said mem1. I know that's wrong. Okay, that's working better. Okay, I was able to get the speed challenge. However, I don't think there's any guarantee that this thing always runs, because what happens when they're counting a tile that someone else has already picked up? Because in that case, the game says that that will not count as a data cube. It says up here, if you try to query a tile that contains a worker who is holding a data cube up in the air, your if command will report the tile as not having a cube. So, you know, you just kind of wonder how that doesn't get to be a problem. Blind luck? But if, when it runs the random or, you know, simulated or whatever to figure out your average speed, you'd think it would have found this problem. I'm just not confident this could work, because what does happen when there's someone above you? Like, how about them? Are they going to run into problems? I'm just really surprised I'm not running into problems here. I would have assumed they required me to use tell and listen just so I could synchronize if two were next to each other, so that I would hold up picking up my tile if there was someone else. Say give precedence to the one above me or something, and allow them to finish. Well, I don't know what to say. It seems like I should run into problems at some point with that, because they go through the effort of pointing this out to you, which tells me it's a potential problem, and I could see where it would be a potential problem, but it's not giving me a problem at the moment. I'll post up this video and think about it. Thank you for watching.